Hello, this is Peter from First Maths, and today we're going to be identifying multiples for a year 2. Resources. You're going to need demonstration number lines 0 to 30 and 0 to 100. Individual number lines of 0 to 30, 0 to 100 and 100 to 200. A variety of number cards, mostly to 100, a few over. A variety of number cards up to 1,000. And some blank cards. Here is our mental learning objective. I can count in 5s and 10s. Here's our mental learning task. Today's lesson is about multiplication and division. We are going to start by counting in 10s and 5s. When we count in 10s, flash your fingers each time you count. We shall start at 10 and stop at 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. This time we shall count in 5s. Use one hand at a time to count in 5s. Left hand, 5. Right hand, 10. Left hand, 15. Let's start counting. We can count up in 5s. We shall start on 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. I can count in 5s and 10s. I can find the patterns in multiples of 2, 5 and 10. I can sort numbers into multiples of 2 and others. Here is my main learning task. Today we're going to begin by listening to the sounds made by numbers on a number line. What does a multiple of mean? Pause the video and ask the children if they know. A multiple means that it is in the same times table. For example, for the 2's, a multiple of 2 would be 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Because all these numbers are in the 2 times table. A multiple of 5 would be 5, 10, 15, 20, because they are all in the 5 times table. So they are all multiples of 5. A multiple is something found in your times tables. So if a number in your 2 times table, it is a multiple of 2. Look by jumping up in 10s. 10, 20, 30, 40 are all multiples of 10. Lots of numbers end in T. What do you notice about these numbers? 20, 30, 40, 50. They all go up in 10. All end with a 0. When we count in 5s, what numbers do the numbers end in? What sound pattern can you hear? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. If you listen and look, you will see it's an alternation. It goes ends in 5, ends in 0, ends in 5, ends in 0. Today's activity is about identifying or finding multiples. Choose a number between 0 and 100. There you go, here's the chart. Have you chosen a number? Good. Is it a multiple of 5? If it was a multiple of 5, it would be in this column down here. The 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, or 95. Or it would be in this column. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So it goes 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. What happens when we count in twos? If we count in twos and you cross off the numbers as we count, you will see a pattern will appear. Main learning task. Get in pairs. Give each pair a few number cards. Sort the numbers into multiples of 2 or others. If they are a multiple of 2, they are even. If they are not, they are odd numbers. Put pair cards into order and write down each set on paper. Challenges. Give children blank cards on which to write their own multiples of 2 above 100. Children use a table to sort number cards into multiples of 5 and others. So they can do it that way too. I can find the patterns in multiples of 2, 5, and 10. I can sort numbers into multiples of 2 and others. Here's the plenary. Talk about numbers which children found to be multiples of 2. Do you think any number that ends in 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8 is a multiple of 2? Pause the video and discuss it. Why do you think this is? Why do you think it's not? Is it true for numbers over 100? Pause the video and find out. Suggest multiples of 2 or 10 and write these columns on the board. Talk about the numbers which can go into both columns. Which numbers are in the 2 times table and the 10 times table? Why do you think 20 is in both columns? Pause the video and talk about it. Some numbers are multiples of more than one number. What other numbers are like this? Pause the video, have a think, and talk about other numbers which are in more than one table. Can you think of a number which is in the most tables? Talk about it. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, then press the like button below it to like, because this then tells me you liked this video. Please subscribe to my channel to know when I will be uploading my next video. Please click the notification bell so you will never miss another maths lesson, maths game, or maths test that I upload. Thank you very much for today, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye!